So you have to set your priorities, and priorities एक बार में नहीं समझ में आते. To all young students, I would like to say, keep on experimenting at least for some time and give yourself an exposure to at least 2-3 places.
Right.
Then you will be able to realize how people are, what they are doing. How would you feel when you get into their shoes?
Exactly.
Right? तब आपको रियलाइज होगा कि अच्छा मुझे यहाँ करियर बनाना है, अच्छा मुझे इस लाइन में जाना है.
Hi, so this is Dr. Sapna Advani from IPS Academy IBMR, and today just guess what's going to be on the floor. Here the classroom teaching and here the corporate floor. So where the passion meets profession, we're gonna meet Kavita Vyas from Indra Securities, and let's check what she has to say about her passionate journey. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sapna. See, I never thought of becoming an HR, but I guess this journey started long back when I was in school. Earlier, I was a very, kind of quiet child, though no one can believe this now. But probably to make me come up to that level of confidence, a good speaker and things like that, what a good student should have. Maybe my teachers might have thought of making me a class monitor. So from 5th standard, this journey started and this continued till 12th. Okay. So this was, I guess, the first initial thing, but not as an HR, but as a public handling, the people handling started in my life long back. But then एक बीच में थोड़ा सा आया कि नहीं कुछ करियर के लिए करना है. So I thought of becoming an engineer and I was attempting for that, but could not make grades in it. So had to change my line again. And then did my commerce graduation, post-graduation, both. Then met my present husband, better life, better half, you say. So he said ki there is still some time for us to settle down. So why don't you go for some professional course? And then I thought of doing MBA. So MBA that time used to be a very new thing and was definitely anxious. As far as my family and his family also was concerned, they wanted me to be a teacher. So appeared for both exams, BA as well as MBA, and pass both the exams as well. Now this was a deciding thing.
Okay.
Definitely chose MBA because luckily I got Indore as my place for doing this study further. So hailing from a very small city like Gwalior, it was really an incredible journey coming down to GSMR Indore and doing my MBA both in HR and marketing, because it was totally a different world out here. And, a lot many experiments we did while studying. We went for internships. I had good internships done at Tata International Devas in association with Mr. Anil Dubey.
Yeah.
Then Pfizer, Cadbury as well at Malanpur, Gwalior. So, with these industrial exposures, I somewhere dreamt of actually getting into HR. But again, the journey was quite far, as we say. So, once I got married, there was a gap of some 1.5 years. Then I joined my first company, Nyko Resources. Officially, my first company. No, sorry, second company, because prior to my marriage, I had already started with Reliance Telecommunications as customer care executive.
Okay.
So for 1.5 years, yeah, I started from very ground level. And after some 2-3 years of this study journey gap, I got this Nyko Resources.
Okay.
So that was first multinational company after my marriage, where I learned lot many things. This was into oil and gas, and though my lifespan was very short, it was just for 1.5 years, but I really got good mentors, and I still am very much connected with that family. It's a huge WhatsApp group where some 50-60 seniors are still there.
Okay.
Who had guided me that time. So it's incredible, I again and again keep on resorting to those people for whatsoever, queries come to my desk, to my mind. So it's just a family to me, an extended one.
So I think you're fortunate enough to have the mentor in that age, because many times we don't find the directions.
Yes, exactly. And I'm so very blessed one that this the support is still continued.
Exactly.
And then the companies got added after NICO. There was a gap. I did my some work in WNS, that was at Pune. This was basically into recruitments. Then I had to take a gap, maternity gap. It was a sabbatical, rather, I would say, because I was not getting good opportunities. Then further, I uh, got this call center thing. So that was another experience, I added in my life. Almost 1.5 years I worked there. Finally, we decided to shift from Ahmedabad, where we were there for last almost 10-12 years.
Okay.
We decided to shift back to our native place here at
No.
base. Indore was the place where we decided to finally settle down.
Okay.
And when I came down to Indore, again, it was just a settling down gap. But then I got a good opportunity with Man Aluminum Limited, Pithampur, where I assisted Miss Shilpa Surana for training and development, and MIS as well for CEO and care officer.
Possibly there you spent more than 4 years, 5 years.
Yes, somewhere around that.
Okay.
And then this Corona thing happened. But fortunately, it was not a huge gap. Hardly 4-5 months I was there at home, and I got to have this Indra Securities in my bag, in my kitty. And it's a wonderful experience going around with all the people. Here I'm looking after the entire gamut of HR, right from end-to-end cycle of employees and many much related things.
Okay. So I think that the journey seems to be very inspirational when we talking about the engineering background and then moving to the customer care executive and then landing to the passion of yours, which is HR. So you had a very inspiring journey where in today's world, if we talk about students, one setback and they are out of the track. They keep juggling with their careers. But when you are very much passionate about HR, so you thought of being into that fraternity for the rest of your career life.
Yes.
So that seems to be really inspirational. Okay, so Kavita, one more question I'm really passionate about to ask. When we talk about classroom teachings and when we talk about the corporate floor, do you think there is some gap between what students are getting things into the classrooms and when they are moving to the corporate floor? Do you find some gaps which a faculty or which educational institute should address in order to cut down the training cost of the companies?
Yeah. Yes, of course. Though nowadays people have really become aware, including the educational institutions, right? Though it had been there for us, like I said, we had to undergo internships, right? Every semester we were supposed to do an internship of some 2 months with some good organization where we want to head up.
Correct.
Right? So students should first of all mark the area. Should uh, focus themselves as to where they want to go about. Right?
Okay.
In my case, like this happened because I could not make to engineering. I had to decide as to where I had to go. Had I been sitting at home, just wandering here and there and getting married and doing walls and things, probably it would not have worked. But I had a plan B. If not engineering, what else? So that focus has to be there. Though even that time also, I was not very conscious or very much alert as to कि मुझे HR में ही जाना है. But I was continuously moving. कि मुझे कुछ तो काम करना है, कॉर्पोरेट में काम करना है, मुझे एक डिसिप्लिन एरिया में जाना है, एक अच्छे फोकस्ड एटमॉस्फेयर में काम करना है. तो जब आप ऐसे आप कंटिन्यूअस स्टेप्स आप लेते चले जाते हो ना, जिसको बोलते हैं कंटिन्यूअल इम्प्रूवमेंट, नॉट अ कंटिन्यूअस स्टेप, इट इज अ कंटिन्यूअल इम्प्रूवमेंट. आप करते चले जाते हो, आपके डायरेक्शन अपने आप क्लियर हो जाते हैं एंड अल्टीमेटली द थिंग्स फॉल इन प्लेस.
तो आई थिंक आपके साथ एक बहुत अच्छी चीज ये है कि आपका विजन बहुत क्लियर था हमेशा से.
यस.
You have a very clear vision and fortunately your family members, your husband seems to be your lucky
Yes.
person. So when he chipped into your life, possibly things start rolling back to the HR domain again.
Yes, he was there. My father also like escorted me many a times to different places. कि ये देखो प्लांट देखो कैसा होता है. इट्स लाइक इन मैं बचपन में जैसे अगर मैं बात करूँ तो कि पेरेंट्स ले जाते हैं बच्चों को चिड़ियाघर घुमाने, गार्डन घुमाने. So my father also was passionate equally and he wanted us to have those exposures, right? So we had been to plants, we have been to dams, we have been to construction areas, plant MPhil, architecture, what not we have seen in our early life. So it was not just for husband, no doubt he has done really well. but it was right from the beginning. Now even my brother also is like, continuously there with me. Karna hai, bas don't sit at home. Do whatever you feel like, but do. I mean, don't sit at home. That has always been the family motto.
It should not be wrong saying कि आपका जो childhood है वो सिर्फ 4 दीवारों में आप नहीं सीखे हो.
नहीं.
It's like around the world you have traveled, you have learned, and now you are actually making us experience all those learnings. So Kavita, we are like, I am really curious, since a faculty in IPS Academy, we find students when even I'm the part of training and placement team. So we have a different perceptives of the people coming for the training and placements, because over here we teach in the classroom regarding the concepts, regarding the HR things. And when the students shift to the corporate floor, they are not able to amalgamate all those concepts to the corporate learnings and all. So do you feel there is a gap between what we are imparting them and what they are getting on the corporate floor, or what should we extra train them in order to cut down the training cost of the company somehow?
See, I would not say it is a huge gap, because this happens over a period of time. They are children anyway, they are learning, right? We all are still learning. So we have to be somewhere apologetic, we have to be somewhere understanding to the lacunas what they are facing. Probably, it is the learning and training gap we need to understand. एंड इट वाज नॉट दैट कि पहले लर्निंग नहीं होता था, पहले ट्रेनिंग नहीं होता था, या पहले इंटर्नशिप प्लेसमेंट्स और ये सब चीज़ें नहीं होती थी। अभी कुछ बच्चे भी कट शॉर्ट करने लगे हैं बिकॉज़ ऑफ लैक ऑफ टाइम, या सीरियसनेस भी कम हुई है, या ये बोलें कि बहुत सारे मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस भी आ गए हैं बच्चों के पास, तो फोकस नहीं है। सो वी नीड टू हैव अ in-depth analysis of first as to what they want,
Okay.
first of all. Second thing, if what they are wishing or achieve and trying to achieve, is it achievable or not? पहले उनको भी समझाना पड़ेगा कि with the given set of skills and with the given abilities and with the given set of focus, what they are focusing on,
Exactly.
is it accomplishable or not? And if not, then third thing, what is your plan B?
Plan.
Right?
Right.
क्या सोचा है अगर ये नहीं हो रहा है तो? बच्चे क्या है, यही फर्स्ट पे ही अटके हुए हैं, और हम भी हमारी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है यहाँ फर्स्ट पे करके कई जगह खत्म कर देते हैं, बट इट इज अ लॉन्ग जर्नी। मोर ओवर it is for me it had been and it is still a learning experience. So it is not necessary कि बच्चा पढ़ के निकलेगा तो फटाफट उसका करियर बन जाएगा, right? It is all there in fate, it is all in what you are getting from the people out there. आप किस एरिया में है, like I said, I had been lucky enough to come down to Indore to have that exposure. Not many people do not get it.
Exactly.
Right? बहुत सारी चीजें बच्चों के अंदर नहीं होती हैं, कुछ सारी चीजें बच्चों के बाहर भी होती है जो हमको भी समझनी जरूरी है। तो हम उन्हें क्या दे रहे हैं उस पर काम करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, और वो गैप्स सिर्फ आप एज एन ट्रेनर, एज एन मेंटर इन द कॉलेज कैन नॉट डू।
Okay.
इट इज एन इनबाउंड ड्यूटी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ऑल्सो। आई वुड से HR का भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो जाता है कि बच्चे का हैंड होल्डिंग करे, उस गैप को फिल आउट करें। मैं ये सोच रही हूँ कि मैंने एक अच्छा स्टूडेंट जो स्टडीज़ में बहुत अच्छा है, जिसने बहुत अच्छी इंटर्नशिप्स करी हुई हैं,
Right.
वो आके मेरे पास पहले दिन से काम करे, तो दैट वुड बी टोटली रॉन्ग, अनएक्सेप्टेबल, एंड इट वुड बी अनएथिकल ऑन माय पार्ट एज एन HR, राइट?
Right.
I should be giving him as a kind of atmosphere where he gets sink in my atmosphere.
Obviously, then he is going to perform.
Exactly.
Until he is not aware what is expected out of him, how is he going to perform on those standards?
Correct.
So we have to communicate those standards.
Correct.
Okay, Kavita, one more thing. What particular skill set you more or less talk about the HR persona, HR personals, yeah, HR professionals, or if you wanted to hire a student, like if you're coming for the campus placements, what that particular skill set you look for into a student?
See, I started, and I still am very humble, right? To start anything from ground, to start anything from scratch, I do not feel ashamed of. And I expect students also to have that thing. Until unless you have that humbleness in you, until unless you understand that learning is a process and it is not just one time thing, I'd say,
Right.
you would not be able to achieve whatever you have dreamt of. चाहे आपको मोटरसाइकिल ही क्यों ना लेनी हो, लेकिन आपको कुछ उसके लिए अपने आप को तैयार करना ही पड़ेगा। तो वो जो तैयार करने वाली चीज होती है ना, वो कंटिन्यूअल है।
Right.
Right? So I expect people, whoever is joining there as an intern or as a fresher student or or any person for that matter, I would like them to be quite flexible in the approach, be humble and positive towards life. This is what I have learned from all my mentors and I have been here. I mean, मेरा भी एक जो लंबा जर्नी यहाँ तक आया है वो इन्हीं चीज़ों की वजह से आया. I mean, thanks to all mentors, my parents, my family members, everybody. तो ये बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हम इग्नोर करते हैं, हमारा ध्यान नहीं होता है, बल्कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं.
Absolutely,
आप
absolutely.
रिजिड रहेंगे तो आप कभी नहीं सीख पाएंगे. आपने ये समझ लिया कि आप सब सीख गए हैं तो भी आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे क्योंकि एवरीथिंग इज कमिंग नाउ. सी एआई हैज कम. नहीं हमने कभी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा था एआई आएगा और मेरे जैसा कोई इंसान उसके ऊपर काम कर पाएगा. आई नेवर थॉट ऑफ बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी मच scared of computer and had never been a tech
Correct.
but it's like everything I'm doing on ATS recruitments में हमको help out करता है.
Cool.
ChatGPT is there, we are creating so many
tools.
So at this age, when I have not stopped learning, I expect my students also not to be.
Of course. Because AI has emerged in our era. Possibly in coming era, some other things would be emerging. So they have to be ready for the market needs.
Correct.
And even earlier, we used to say that emotion analysis can never be done by robotics. But now sentiment analysis is being done by robotics.
Yes.
So what still is remaining? I think so many changes are going to come. And rightly said by Kavita that exactly the student should be prepared. Should be mentally prepared कि मुझे सीखना पड़ेगा अगर आगे बढ़ना है तो.
Correct. See, I mean, I'm not boasting about myself, but अगर मैं मेरी past life देखूं, I have never stopped anywhere. I may have taken sabbaticals, I may have taken some gaps for some or the other reason, some genuine reasons. But otherwise, if you really want to go ahead, keep on moving is more important.
And one last question. So I wanted you to deliver a message to our youth that the people who are aspiring to go for the HR field, they always feel that HR is a very, slow kind of a stream, slow fraternity where the increments, the rewards, the recognitions are pretty slow. So do you agree with this fact or you wanted to say something else to the people who are really passionate to come to the HR field because they feel marketing, फटाफट से target achieve किया and they are moving to the rewards. Financial, just play with the numbers and you're good to go. But HR, they feel it's a very slow field. So this is their perspective. So do you agree with this or do you disagree with this?
I disagree with this because HR, as I said, is totally a different domain. As you also accepted this, it's a different domain altogether. HR is all about human resource. It is again based on emotions. It is based on somebody's psychology, and so many psychologies going around. When they have employees as well as good set of management people out there. So आप इतने लोगों के बीच काम कर रहे हो जिनके पास दिल भी है और दिमाग भी है. ठीक है. And you as an HR you have to focus. You have to keep all these things, all these dils and dimags
In
consideration of
achieving the task or task.
हाँ.
Correct.
तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल को अचीव करने के लिए या सभी के बेटरमेंट के लिए अगर दिल और दिमाग तक जाना है तो वो डेफिनेटली थोड़ा सा स्लो प्रोसेस ही होता है. ठीक है.
Okay.
और जब आप किसी के दिल और दिमाग तक पहुंचने के ट्राई भी करते हैं ना तो आपको मिलता है कि एक्सेप्टेंस. राइट.
Correct.
और किसी भी HR के लिए फाइनेंसेस कीप असाइड. आजकल हर कोई कमा लेता है, इतना तो कमाई लेता है कि अपनी लाइफ निकाल ले. बट हर एक का एक पर्सनल ख्वाहिश होता है.
जी.
HR का मुझे लगता है एक वो जो एक्सेप्टेंस आता है ना पब्लिक से, एक अप्रोचेबल वाली फीलिंग आ जाती है कि हाँ ठीक है मुझसे बात किया जा सकता है, लोग मेरे पास आ रहे हैं. वो किसी भी अवार्ड से, किसी भी प्राइज मनी से, किसी भी चीज से बेहतर है.
मतलब अगर मुझे कोई समस्या है और अगर मैं कविता के पास जाती हूँ तो मुझे समस्या का समाधान ऑन द स्पॉट मिलेगा. दिस इज व्हाट यू आर अर्निंग.
यस. तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. समस्या का समाधान कौन देता है?
राइट.
आपके बड़े देते हैं, भगवान देते हैं,
जी.
आपके गुरु लोग देते हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं इट इज अ नोबल प्रोफेशन दैट यू आर हेल्पिंग आउट पीपल बाय गिविंग देम जॉब, बाय गिविंग देम काउंसलिंग, बाय मेंटरिंग देम, बाय हेल्पिंग देम. HR has never been a prima facie domain. It has always been a support function. तो आपको डिसाइड करना है आप सपोर्ट फंक्शन में ये सब पाके खुश हैं और अगर नहीं तो फिर डेफिनेटली प्लान बी आपको चेंज करना है कि आपको कहाँ जाना है. तो यू हैव टू सेट योर प्रायोरिटीज एंड प्रायोरिटीज एक बार में नहीं समझ में आएगा. तो ऑल यंग स्टूडेंट्स आई वुड लाइक टू से कीप ऑन एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग एटलीस्ट फॉर सम टाइम and give yourself an exposure to at least 2-3 places. Then you will be able to realize how people are, what they are doing. How would you feel when you get into their shoes?
Exactly.
Right? तब आपको रियलाइज होगा कि अच्छा मुझे यहाँ करियर बनाना है, अच्छा मुझे इस लाइन में जाना है.
Right. So just not only being sympathized, not being empathized, but also actually getting into their shoes and helping them is what today's HR should be, and it is.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is one thing, and second thing is आप हमेशा सच बोले. प्रोसेस, पीपल, प्रोजेक्ट्स सब कुछ चलता रहता है.
जी.
कई बार आप एम्प्लॉयज के सपोर्ट में जाते हो, कई बार आप मैनेजमेंट के सपोर्ट में जाते हो, आपको दोनों को साथ लेके चलना होता है. यू शुड नॉट गेट कैरिड अवे with these all feelings.
Correct.
This is a part of your job. This is a part of something what you have been assigned of, which you have been expected of.
Correct.
तो be there with your deliverables.
Right.
अगर हम ही इमोशंस में बह जाएंगे तो डेफिनेटली हम कई जगह पे शायद डिसीजंस नहीं ले पाएंगे. और हमारे बड़े भी कहते हैं कि डिसीजंस सोच समझ के शांत दिमाग से की तरीके से लो. सो आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग दैट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मैं बिल्कुल ओवर हो गई हूँ, but this is what has been taught by my mentors. They are still teaching me, and I'm still a learner. So this will keep on going till the time I move on to something new.
So it was really inspirational journey of Kavitas, and thank you so much for sharing such intellectual talks, such enriching experience, which not only motivating me but also the students out there. So thank you so much, Kavita.
Thank you, ma'am.